In this tutorial, I will be showing you on how you can create a presentation using Canva's free presentation software. Hello everyone, it's me again, Therese, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sa mga interesado ng ganitong content, mga how-to tutorial videos, at kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod kong video. Andito tayo guys sa Canva and I am using Canva free account so everyone can create a presentation here. Kung wala pa kayong account, you can create one at free naman po yung paggawa ng account dito sa Canva. To get started, to create a presentation, you can access presentation by clicking here or you can search on the search box. Or you can simply go to templates and look for presentations. And Canva will give you access to hundreds of beautifully designed templates. So, makakapili kayo dito ng pwede nyong gamitin para mas mapadali yung paggawa nyo ng presentation. So, ito guys, presentation, helpful ito para sa mga students, para sa mga teachers, and kahit na nag-work. So, kasi ako, minsan dito ako nagawa ng presentation para sa work namin. Marami siyang klase ng theme and styles. You can filter that one para mas madali mong mahanap yung related sa topic na gagawin mo. So, let's filter this one to free. And let's say education. Makakapamili ka na ng templates na gusto mong gamitin. Let's say gagawa tayo ng book report or ng report para sa school nyo or ng group project. For example, this one. This is free. Let's customize this one. And in customizing your design or presentation, you can always use your own image, your logo, your branding elements, and the color scheme you like para mas maging creative and realistic yung designs or presentations niyo. Okay? So, if you want to apply all the pages, you can just click on apply pages and automatically magagamit mo na yung lahat ng pages and you can start customizing it slides by slides or page by page. So, kapag gusto mong palitan yung background ng slide mo, you can click on the page and you can change the background color. And kapag gusto mo namang palitan yung font niya, click on the text and find a font na gusto nyo. Kapag pipili kayo ng font combination guys, dapat yung readable siya. You can always add and remove some elements na hindi nyo gusto para sa presentations nyo, or you can add your own elements. And dito, yung mga content dito, dapat papalitan nyo ng related or ng topic nyo. Dapat papalitan nyo kung ano yung topic nyo. Okay? Palitan nyo yung mga necessary photos. Sample this one, yung grupo nyo. Yung mga photos nyo rin yung ilagay nyo dyan. Okay? Then, dito naman, yung paglagay ng mga content nyo, dapat short and concise. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng elements dito. May mga free elements dito na pwede nyong gamitin. Kung gusto nyo siyang dagdagan or bawasan ng mga elements, just click on the elements or the text para ma-remove nyo. Alright? So, pwede nyo ring bawasan to yung pages. Kung napakarami yung 15 pages, you can delete the pages by clicking this delete button. Dito sa left toolbar and punta kayo dito sa styles. Meron na siya mga naka-reading font combination and colors. Yan. Click nyo na lang yan kung anong gusto nyo dyan and it will be automatically applied on the slide. Kung color lang yung gusto nyong palitan, ito lang din yung mapapalitan nyo. Kung fonts, ganun din. So, pipili na lang kayo dito. Say, for example, So, i-group natin to para mapalitan. At click natin tong Martel Heavy. So, yan. Napalitan yung text lang. Okay? Pag colors naman, click mo yung page or slide and choose a color you want from here. Let's say, eto. So, ayan. Napalitan pati yung mga elements niya. Okay? So, kung ayaw nyo yan, pag-eksperimentohan nyo lang to. So, guys, pag-eksperimentohan nyo yung layouts niya, yung mga elements, yung mga font combinations niya, yung animations niya, yung paglagay nyo ng audio to make your presentation stand out. Okay? So, sa paglagay ng elements, guys, you can click on the page or slide. Meron na siyang animation na nakalagay. Kung gusto nyong palitan, you can click on that. And may mga animations kayong ma-access dito. And kapag yung text naman gusto nyong lagyan ng animation, click on the text. Then, nakikita nyo to sa taas, yung animate. Yan, meron dito mga text animations na pwede nyong i-apply. You can customize the slides one by one para mas maging clear yung mga content na ilalagay nyo dito. And dito, guys, you can change the timing also. Click on the page and click on this, the timing. And you can put 10 seconds or 8 seconds as you like. Let's assume that we are finished customizing all the pages. Dito, may percent button dito. Meron siyang tatlong type ng kung paano mo siya present. Merong standard, autoplay, and presenter view. So, let's check on standard. So, kapag natapos mo na, for example, explain mo, yan, every slides, click mo lang yung next slide. That's how standard works. And dito naman sa autoplay, you just have to set speed on each pages and then it will automatically play. Let's see. Yan. Okay, nag-automatic play siya after 5 seconds. And dito naman sa presenter view, that's how it looks like. Ito yung audience screen mo, yung makikita ng audience. Kapag naipaliwanag mo na yung page na to, click mo yung next page, and then, yan. Okay? So, you can even download the presentation you create. Na-try ko na to. Dinownload ko siya as MP4 video. So, nag-work naman siya. You can try it by clicking here. If you want to print out your presentation, you can select PDF standard file type, or you can select MP4 video if you want to make it a video. And if you click here on the 3 dots, you can even download your presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you click here, it says here, download your design as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. So if you download it, and you open it, and ayan, direct siya sa PowerPoint na meron kayo sa laptop nyo. And that's it on how you can create a presentation na pwede nyong gamitin sa work, sa school, or kung teacher man kayo, pwede kayo makagawa dito ng mga presentation nyo para sa mga students nyo. Right? So, sana naging helpful ang video na to. And nakakuha kayo ng idea na pwede palang gumawa ng presentation gamit itong Canva free account. So, thank you very much for watching. Kung may mga suggestions kayo or comment or questions, you can comment down below. And please don't forget to give a like kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.